Kanisa tunakaribisha Nehemiah Ambetsa atusomee theology.
Mheshimiwa party leader wa ODM, baba yetu wa nchi Raila Amolo Odinga, deputy party leader ODM, deputy party leader ODM, our CS finance to be Daktari Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Wajakoya the Roots Party, magavana walioko, my area MP Caleb Amisi na MP wengine na waheshimiwa wote, habari zenyu. Waombolezaji, asante sana kwa kuomboleza na sisi. Kwa majina najulikana Nehemiah Ambetsa Oparanya. Aliyeaga hapa ni babu yangu. Nashukuru Mungu sana kwa uzima ambayo tuko nayo. Nehemiah Ambetsa Oparanya ni kiongozi pale Moi University, anaserve kama co-curricular representative in the Moi University Student Organization. Nashukuru Mungu sana. Okay, nitasoma eulogy ya babu yetu hapa, Henry Ongoma Ambetsa. Birth. Henry Ongoma Ambetsa was born in 1947 to the late Mzee Christopher Ambetsa Oparanya and the late Mama Sarah Swaka at Mabole Emaloha Village, Butere constituency, by then Kakamega district, now Kakamega County. His siblings are Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, who is the governor emeritus county government of Kakamega, Agri Maina, and Margaret Makomere. He grew up in the then CPK church, now ACK, as God-fearing child. His cousins are Tom Buliba Amboka, Jared Atana, Francis Mbaluha, Peter Asira, Andrew Asira, and Francis Maina. Marriage. Mr. Henry got married to his beloved wife, the late Esther Ayuma, daughter of Cleophas Oksimba and Paris Oksimba, of Ebukanga village, Kwisore sub-county in 1965. They were blessed with 9 children, namely Harrison Oparanya, Jedida Omshere, Jackson Etabale, Alex Okoti, the late Elizabeth Onduso, the late Dina Shabanji, Agri Maina, Sarah Ayeko, and Nora Nyangweso. After the death of Mama Esther Auma, Henry got married to Teresa Atuko. Education. In 1954, the late Henry Ongoma Ambetsa was enrolled for his primary school at Majani Mingi Primary and sat for common entrance examination. This we used to call it CPE, the millennials here. Being a bright child, he passed very well with outstanding grades as the best student that time. However, Henry was not able to continue with his education due to the family challenges. He later on trained as a tailor, which was his father's, the late Christopher Ambetsa, career by then. Later he changed his career and worked as a shopkeeper at Mohammed Sumbo Traders in Kapenguria, West Pokot. In 1994, Mr. Henry Ongoma was employed as a subordinate staff by the Ministry of Education and worked at Marich Pass Primary School in West Pokot County until 1999. Grandchildren. Henry was blessed with 21 grandchildren, namely Jacqueline Inyangala, David Matsuhu, Nehemiah Ambetsa, Caleb Amboka, Oscar Fanuel, Alan Lodio, Martha Nekesa, Ruth Inyangala, Mercy Nafula, Joy Blessing, Imran Ambetsa, Saumu Esther, Yusuf Oparanya, Duz Okot, Mutsoto Ongoma, Valentine Naomi, Jeremiah Bahati, Jeremani Ongoma, John Obuayo, Felix Oksimba, and Anne Chibole. Great-grandchildren, Haron Simiyu and Shimbwabo David. Go well, Papa, go well, Kuka. May the highest God rest your soul in eternal peace. Till we meet again. Shalom, shalom. Thank you so much. Asante.
Thank you for representing the Gen Z. Thank you very much. Napa nataka kumpa mfawidhi mwenzangu amalize